Hello BabyCro! Today in our video we will talk about another high-quality German product, namely about car seats Britax King 2 and King 2 Black Series. Some of the seat popular models are produced separately, with a changed frame color due to what they are called Black Series. The seats passed ATEX certification, according to the results of which they were rated as good. In a second, we'll overview the detailed characteristics of these seats. So, King 2 and King 2 Black Series can be used for children of 9 months to 4 years. This seat is designed for use by the children of the weight category from 9 to 18 kilograms. The process of the seat fixing in the car is very simple, and it takes only 30 seconds with the help of a 3-point safety belt. Press the button on either side and lift the seat pan up until it fixes. Then, pass the safety belt through the special guides behind the seat backrest and fix it in a clamp. The belt must be a bit tightened, so that the seat is better pressed to the car seat. To lower the seat pan, it is enough to raise it a bit and press the lever on the side, and then lower it to the distinctive sound. Also, the upper part of the belt must be put through the red guide near the headrest. 5-point safety belt ensures that the child is fixed in the car. The belt is designed to provide optimum protection against impacts from all possible sides, since it distributes the impact force to the maximum, among 5 points. It is adjustable. To loosen the belts, you need to press the button in the front part of the seat and loosen the belts. And to pull them up, use an extra belt in front of the car seat and pull it to the distinctive sound. Protective sidewalls are designed to absorb energy when pushed from the side, protecting the child from damages. Soft brass shells are designed to keep the child moving forward in the event of a frontal collision and evenly distribute the collision energy. They are made of special material, which when loaded is slightly compressed and reduces the force of the child's bound forward. Besides, they are comfortable and don't irritate the areas of the child's body and especially sensitive neck they are in contact with. The headrest with the safety belt is adjustable in height with one move in 11 positions. To do this, loosen the safety belts and press the button behind the seat. Lower or raise the headrest to the desired position. 4 positions of the backrest inclination. Press the button in the front of the seat to select the desired position. Depending on the backrest position, the child can watch the views outside the window in a reclining posture. Another feature is the presence of special ventilation openings in the seat body under the textile for the optimal microclimate, which is vital to the child. Look at the cover. If it got dirty after the journey, just remove it without removing the safety belts and put it in order. Putting it on the seat is just as easy as removing. The weight of the car seat is 10.3 kilograms. That is, it's quite heavy. King 2 and King 2 Black Series are almost identical models of the German brand Britax Romer, with the only difference: the color of plastic is gray in the first case, and the Black Series name speaks for itself. It has a black base. In other words, this is a matter of style and personal preferences. It belongs to the first category. That is, it can be used within 4 years of your child's life. It is easy to install thanks to the folding backrest and use. Did you enjoy our overview? Subscribe to our channel and stay with us. There's a lot of interesting ahead.